It's official! Knitting and crochet are finally making a comeback, and apparently it's trending among the young people. Okay, so here in this video of NHK Japan, which I regularly watch, I was surprised to see that the young Japanese people are so excited about making something like crocheting or knitting. So I'll show you this video. It's really interesting, but I'm gonna mute it so that we won't have a copyright strike. I'm just gonna talk over the video. Okay, here he's talking about how hot um, and trending crochet and knitting are right now in Japan. So this girl is really interested in making crochet products and items that they gift to each other. These are samples, beanies, pouches, bookmarks, little things. This girl is talking about the flower that she made because that's a tulip crocheted flower. She said that it lasts forever and that it's a very good gift. It's a very interesting gift for each other, for their friends. There are even stores that sell a lot of stores that are now stocking up on yarn because of the demand from the young people. So this seller, yarn seller, is very happy because a lot of young people these days are coming in to buy the hooks, okay, the knitting needles, and especially the yarns. These days, they're trying to come up with small packages because lots of people just want to make small items, not really the big items such as blankets or guns, more of small items like this, hats or beanies that they can easily finish because it's easily gratifying. Okay, it makes someone have a sense of achievement right away whenever you finish a small project. And this is popularized more by one of the celebrities or one of the members of Les Seraphim. Les Seraphim is a K-pop idol, I think, K-pop group, which is very popular right now among the young people. And she is promoting her crocheted items on her Instagram. So a lot of people are influenced by her. There are also knitting meetings like this, knitting clubs. This is a knitting group and also a crochet group that come together regularly. So interesting. Really like to have this kind of meetings here, but fortunately, I didn't get a chance to have a meeting with some of my crochet group members. Okay, but hopefully in the future, we'll have some kind of gathering like this. Doesn't have to be something so grand, just a small meetup in a crochet cafe. I mean, like this one. Looks like they're enjoying talking to each other, like minds, right? That's a crochet hook, definitely. Sometimes in captions like this, they always use just knitting without mentioning crochet, which is a totally different craft, by the way. Okay, this girl finished a blouse, and you can see how happy the other members are, because as you know, it's not that easy to crochet something. Okay, so that is a great achievement actually for this young girl. Okay, so if you're interested in other crochet videos or knitting videos that's happening around the world, just leave me a like, please, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be willing to make more videos like this. Bye!